Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm going to talk to you about the Northern Lights. And so my experience so far with the Northern Lights, I've seen them 3 times now on this cruise. Every time though, they've been from the ship, and the ship doesn't get dark, it doesn't go, you know, every deck is lit, you can't hide from the light, you can't do anything. Plus, it's a full moon. And so the only way that I've been able to see the lights is with my camera. And so what I'm going to do is I've taken a video that shows the Northern Lights on my camera, and then I'll move the camera and show you the exact same spot so that you can see there's nothing to see. And so when I put the camera back, you can see the lights. When I take the camera away, you can't, and back and forth. And so I just wanted to show you that. And then I wanted to show you the pictures that I get with the iPhone 13 Pro Max in night mode, which is the little in the upper. So if you wanted to know if you had night mode on your phone and you wanted to know if it's going to work for the Northern Lights, if you cover the lenses with your hand, in the upper left hand corner you should get a little yellow thing that has a timer on it, like 3S, 2S, something, but it's a little rectangular, no, it's kind of oval, round thing, but it has a yellow, it's yellow, and it's got a little number with S on it, and that's seconds. And so what happens when you use the night mode for the iPhone is that it adds a little bit of light for every millisecond. It adds more light until it gets to the right picture, and then that's the picture you get. And so when it says 3 seconds, you need to hold that camera perfectly still for those 3 seconds. Don't click and move, because then you get this blurry gobbledygook and you don't even get a good picture. So you take a picture and you just wait, and you'll see the lens go dark and it kind of fades down and kind of goes up and down or whatever it does, and then poof, you'll get a picture. That's it doing night mode, and that's just it adding supplemental light to the picture that you're taking. Anyway, so let me show you the video so you can see what we're talking about, and then I'll show you the pictures that I've gotten, and then you can see what we're really talking about. Sound good? Okay, let's go do it. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, do you see the Northern Light right there? Look. Do you see it on my phone? And then that's it without the phone. And here it is, and I can zoom in on that. And you can see it right there on my phone, but it's not there. There. But it's not there. So it's really kind of an interesting event. I mean, you can see it on my phone, but not without the phone.
Andy! Where's Andy?
Interesting. Cool. Okay. Bye, everybody.